Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error code failed to log in. It's easy if you want to fix this problem. Type here command and here's it. Right click on it and open it and click run as administrator and then yes. Now once you're here type not this one, wait. Once you're here type ipconfig/flash DNS, type it like that and then click enter, and after that type net winsock reset and then click enter, and after that close this window and go to Windows update settings. Now click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then just after that just to start your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.